double chocolate mint cupcakes. We're gonna do half a cup of cocoa powder, and I've already added 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, about a cup of sugar. With these parties, I always have to think of something fun for the kids to snack on. I think these cupcakes are gonna do the trick. Then we're gonna add half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder, so they have nice texture to them. There's something about cupcakes, I think that it just makes everybody feel like a kid. And I know Jade loves them. I'm gonna wait for Jade to frost them. So after we bake, we're gonna cool them completely and then frost them. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna just whisk these all together. This is really easy to make, just a whisk and a bowl. And that is why I love these. They're fast and they're easy. Then a half a cup of vegetable oil. The vegetable oil makes them super light. And a half a cup of buttermilk. And the buttermilk will give it sort of a tangy sort of flavor to it, which works really well with the peppermint. There we go. And then we're gonna do about a teaspoon of peppermint extract. I love it. It's like, it smells so fresh. Make sure you measure it really well, because otherwise it'll be too potent and you don't want that. I'm just gonna give this a quick little whisk, start incorporating the ingredients, and then we're gonna do 2 eggs. There we go. Break up the eggs, make sure that all the ingredients are well mixed. And that's really about it. Okay, now we're gonna do a half a cup of chocolate chips. I'm gonna use a spatula because we wanna fold them in, otherwise they just get stuck on the whisk. And just kind of mix them in. And you could do half bittersweet, half milk, or all milk. I did semi-sweet, but you could do a mixture of all different ones. Okay, that's it. Look how cute these liners are, right? Super holiday-like. So now, I like to do this with an ice cream scoop. That way, all of the cupcakes are the same size and they all cook evenly. That's really the point. Yes, you want them all the same size, but really what you want is for them to all cook evenly in the oven. We're gonna bake these and then we're gonna let them cool completely, and then Jade and I are gonna finish these off. Chocolate cupcakes and put a little bit of peppermint extract inside of them. And now that they're baked and cooled, I thought we could frost them together.
Yay.
So vanilla frosting, peppermint candies. Is that enough, right?
Yeah.
Or maybe do you want more? Maybe mix it and then we can see, because I also have to add.
Should I mix?
Yeah, go ahead and mix. And then I want to add a little bit of peppermint extract.
Sounds so nice.
Smell that. Smells good.
It's like essential oil.
Yeah, the thing is, because it's like an essential oil, you gotta be really careful not to add too much, because then it becomes kind of weird tasting. All right, I think that's good, right?
Yeah.
All right, so
Looks delicious.
you can just leave it in there. So here's the cupcake. You can take an offset spatula. There you go. And we can start frosting. Just go like that. And then just come.
This is my favorite part.
Usually your favorite part is actually eating it.
This is my second favorite.
Can you smell the peppermint? Nice. I know, it smells good, right? Do you think your friends will like this?
They're gonna love it.
Here we go. So I take a little bit of this finishing sugar. Tastes a little bit like peppermint also. Just sprinkle it right on top. See? Like that.
They're
So it looks really
cute.
holiday. You wanna do that one? You can do those too.